Our application process has now moved to an online portal called Gate Front Office. This mini tutorial will guide you step by step on how to find available grants in Front Office. Currently, the Community Initiatives Program CIP Operating and the Community Facility Enhancement Program CFEP Small have transitioned to the portal for this process. By this point, you may already be familiar with or have completed the following. If you haven't, or you need help, please watch our previous mini tutorial videos for guidance. First, start by visiting the Gate Front Office webpage. This web address can be located in the email containing your login credentials. Once you arrive at the Gate Front Office login screen, click on Login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you will be on the main page. Select Funding Opportunities, which can be found on the navigation bar on the left side. The Funding Opportunities page will load, listing all current funding opportunities available on Front Office. You may notice funding opportunities from other Government of Alberta departments that also use the Front Office system. To narrow your search to a community grants program, simply type the program name or Community Grants in the search bar. At present, the only community grants available through Front Office are CIP Operating and CFEP Small. Clicking on a funding tile will start a new application. Please note that funding opportunities open 90 days before the intake deadline. If the grant program you are looking for isn't listed, it may not yet be open for applications. In this example, we will click on the tile called Community Grants Community Facility Enhancement Program Small. The grant tile will indicate the registration period, also known as the intake period. Please check the website for current intake dates. Once you click on the funding tile, you will be directed to this page that contains important information to review prior to clicking on Apply Now. I do want to point out that there is a link that will take you to the program's webpage where you can download and review the program guidelines. Once you're ready, click Apply Now to begin the application process. For more information on how to begin an application, please continue watching our video series. This concludes the mini tutorial on how to find available grants in Gate Front Office. If you have any questions about this process, please contact Community Grants at 1-800-642-3855, or you can email your questions to us at communitygrants@glv.ab.ca.